Hey, what do you say about the, like today, I mean, there's a lot of literature, there's a lot of stuff being written, and people have a lot more access, but the maxim of, ignorance of the law is no excuse, that's been around for a lot longer than print has. I mean, everybody knew 500 years ago what the law was, yet it was unwritten, and there was no excuse.
Right. That's right. It's still true to this day.
That's right.
If the cop says that to me, he said, you need a driver's license. I says, no, I don't. He says, yes, you do. I said, no, I don't. I need a driver's license to drive a car. What do you mean? I stick it in, that's what I put in the steering wheel, and I turn left and right with the driving license. I need it to drive a car. I don't need it to drive a car. What are you talking about? I don't need a driver's license. He said, well, ignorance of the law is no excuse. What law? Whose law? Not my law.
Yeah.
It might be your law, but it ain't my law.
Ignorance of the law is no excuse. If there was such a law, I'd already know about it, and I don't. So.
Yeah. That's right. And like I said, you have to be a member of their society. It's like ignorance of the Boy Scout law is no excuse. So if you want to say that you want to be an upstanding member of the Boy Scout Society, and you're not wearing your hat to the left, and you're wearing it to the right, and everybody knows you're supposed to wear it to the left, and then you're not going to be a Boy Scout in good standing, and of course, then you're a person and within a society, and within that society, depending on your rank, they could hold you liable. According to your rank and to your duties, you got certain responsibilities, and you don't live up to those obligations. Of course, they could fine you. Of course, they can impose upon you. They could reduce you in status or rank, or hold you in contempt, or fine you because that you're not living up to the standards in which you agreed that you abide by. Just like a family, your dad gets to give you a timeout. Your dad gets to punish you. You got a certain duty and rank within that little family, and if you're not living up to your duties and carrying out your responsibilities, you're going to be imposed upon. You're going to have the consequences for failing to meet those obligations, which you should, because you agreed to do the thing. You agreed to be a team member. You agreed to be a team player. And me, I hate being a team player. I mean, when I played baseball, I pitched, and that was it. If I wasn't pitching, I don't want to play. I got the ball, and I control it. If I can't control it, I don't want to play. I'm done. When I rode motorcycles, I would never ride with a group of motorcycle guys. They're crazy. I said, I want to be by myself. I rode alone all the time. I said, or with a woman next to me. That's it. But, no, I'm not a team player. I very much, look where I live. Gus knows I live at the very end of a dead-end road all by myself. I am not a team player.
And I've seen your toilet. It's illegal. It flushes way too much water.
Hey, it's natural spring water. It just goes right back to where it came from.
That's right.